Pizza is one of the world's favorite comfort foods, and frozen pizza has made it possible to enjoy it anytime, straight from the supermarket to your oven. But have you ever wondered how global brands manage to mass-produce millions of pizzas every day and still keep them tasting fresh? Let's step inside the fascinating world of frozen pizza manufacturing. It all begins with the dough. Large industrial mixers combine flour, water, yeast, oil, sugar, and salt in carefully controlled ratios. Unlike in small kitchens, consistency is key here. Computerized systems monitor the temperature of the dough, ensuring the yeast activates just right for uniform rising. Once mixed, the dough passes through automated rollers, which flatten it into perfectly shaped pizza bases. High-speed cutters then stamp out standard sizes, from personal minis to family-sized pizzas. Next comes the par baking step. The raw dough is sent through a massive tunnel oven, where it's partially baked at high heat. This step is crucial. Par baking sets the structure of the crust, so it won't get soggy when toppings and sauce are later added. It also reduces excess moisture, extending the shelf life of the final frozen product. Now, it's time for the sauce, that signature flavor base. Global brands use giant vats where tomato paste, water, oil, sugar, herbs, and spices are blended into a thick, rich sauce. Industrial pumps spread the sauce onto each crust in a perfectly even layer, thanks to precision nozzles designed to mimic a circular motion, just like a human hand would do, but hundreds of times faster. Then come the toppings, the part that makes every pizza unique. Conveyor belts carry the pizzas under automatic topping dispensers. Cheese shakers evenly spread shredded mozzarella across thousands of pizzas per minute. Meat toppings like pepperoni, chicken, or sausage are portioned using rotating drums that drop exact counts per pizza. Even vegetables are flash frozen before sprinkling, ensuring they stay crisp and colorful after baking at home. Quality control is another critical step. Cameras and sensors scan every pizza to check if the topping distribution matches brand standards. If a pizza has too much or too little cheese, it's automatically redirected for adjustment. Nothing goes to waste. Once assembled, the pizzas head toward one of the most important stages, freezing. This is done using blast freezers, where temperatures drop to around -40 degrees Celsius. Here, pizzas are frozen solid within minutes. The rapid freezing locks in freshness, prevents ice crystals from forming, and preserves both taste and texture. It's this step that allows frozen pizza to taste nearly as good as fresh baked. After freezing, pizzas are packaged. High-speed machines wrap each one in airtight plastic film to keep out moisture and oxygen. Many brands also place them in cardboard boxes, not just for branding, but also to protect them during transportation and storage. Barcodes and expiry dates are printed, ensuring traceability and food safety compliance. Finally, the packaged pizzas are stored in giant cold warehouses, often as large as football fields, before being shipped worldwide. From America to Asia, Europe to Africa, frozen pizzas are distributed in refrigerated trucks, ensuring the cold chain is never broken. What makes this process truly remarkable is the scale. Global brands produce millions of pizzas every week, yet thanks to automation and food science, every bite is consistent, safe, and delicious. So, the next time you pull a frozen pizza from your freezer and slide it into the oven, remember, it's not just a quick meal. It's the result of decades of innovation, precision engineering, and global logistics that bring a taste of Italy into homes everywhere.